ang Coco Patch, you just apply directly to the wound. Hindi mo na kailangan mo ng ointment, and ang ginagawa niya, it maintains the moisture sa sugat. As the wound care product dries, gumagaling yung sugat niya. Sa comfort niya, no available wound care product na pag nilagay mo, it gives comfort. Hi, I'm Denver. I'm Denver Chicano. I do eccentric possibilities for Coco Cells technology. I developed Coco Patch when I was working at Philippine General Hospital. I'm seeing a lot of patients and the availability of advanced wound care product wala dito sa Pilipinas. So I developed a product na all source out ang raw material dito, which is the coconut. So I've started producing it, and para maging cost effective. Kasi pagka may sugat, not only burn, not only mga diabetic beds or everything, sakit sa pasyente as well as sa family na apektado. Parang domino effect yan na pag may isang pa sa pasyente, sa family nila, lalo pag breadwinner, natitigil lahat.
Malaki ang naitulong sa akin ng Coco Patch kasi diabetic. So mahirap sa akin mag-heal ang sugat. So using Coco Patch, yung medyo mahirap ng pagalingin sa akin na sugat, napapagaling niya. So very effective siya for diabetic patients talaga.
My dream is to uplift the coconut industry, the cellulose industry, as well as the wound care management system of the Philippines, na hindi galing sa ibang bansa ang materials, which is andito lang. It's very abundant in us, yung coconut. The studies have done in Philippine General Hospital na 50% of pain na nawawala sa pag nilapatan mo ng Coco Patch yung wound because of yung gelatinous property niya. Good design means to me it's a mark of excellence that inspire people to create or do things that is for the goodness of humanity. Kasi andun yung malasakit. When you design things, kailangan from heart you do it sa gusto mong mabigyan na serbisyo. We need good design to inspire people. Kaya makikita lang sa product and na may seal ng good design, they will be inspired na ma-feel nila na binuo or ginawa yung product or dinesign yun because of malasakit. It all starts with malasakit.